Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video I will teach you a hack of the thumbnail. So let's get started. So first let's make a thumbnail. Here I have SketchCut, okay. So now also I'm going to make a square, okay. Oh sorry, a rectangle and backward. So I'm going to put any tile. Maybe a scratch. Okay, it's an example of the thumbnail, but it's very horrible. But it doesn't matter. But now let's code. So first we'll make a new variable called timer. Okay, and now we're going to click hide. Um, Now put a forever set timer variable to go to sensing and the timer of the sensing. And now when timer is greater than 0.01, okay, go from layer, where's the log? Here. Okay, show, and now we'll make a new custom. Okay, so do this. So a new custom and it will be a blank custom. So switch custom to the blank custom. Set size to 150. Switch custom to the thumbnail. Okay. Repeat until, and now put a greater than 100.3 if it's greater than size. Okay. Switch custom to the blank custom. Okay. Change size, and now put a divide, and in the left side put a minus. So 100 minus size divided by 8. Okay. Switch custom to the thumbnail custom, and finally change ghost effect by -15. Okay, and now let's see the result. So when the perfect clicked, okay. Well, it was supposed that we'll do that in the stop button because but I have in a game because this was an example, so it works in the perfect clicked. But I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. So bye bye.